So closing at 21,000 on the Dow. What was the story?
Very close. Dow was up 36 points, close at 20,950. Now, automakers were down after April sales numbers were released, and the energy companies were off the most as oil fell 2.4% to 47.66. Now, so far this earnings season has been the best for growth since the third quarter of 2011. So good day yesterday.
All right, good. Let's talk, first start with Apple. What's going on there?
Now, Apple reported big numbers after the bell. Revenue was $52.9 billion, and they had 4.9% rise in profits to $11.3 billion. Their cash pile jumped to $256 billion, or to put it another way, Apple has more in cash than the entire market cap of 26 of the 30 Dow companies.
Say that again?
I said Apple has more cash than the entire market cap of 26 of the 30 Dow companies. So just the money they have sitting in cash.
Wow.
Now, over 90% of that cash, like we talked about yesterday, is overseas.
Right.
It could do a lot of good getting spent over here. So
$250 billion parked in some bank overseas because they don't want to bring it back because they'll be taxed too much. That's a problem Washington should fix. What do we hear from vehicle sales?
Now, April vehicle sales were down 4.7% to 1.43 million vehicles. We have had several years of great growth, and it's slowing down a little and causing some oversupply. The automakers might need to shut down for a while in the summer to reduce inventory. For example, GM has about 1 million vehicles in inventory, or about a 4-month supply, while they normally have about 2 to 3 month supply. So,
Olin, who are they and what are they doing?
We talked about them before. Clayton-based Olin reported first quarter numbers yesterday after the bell. The chlor-alkali and ammunition producer had $1.57 billion in revenue and made a profit of $13.4 million, much better than the loss in the year-ago quarter. Olin will pay their 362nd consecutive quarterly dividend next month.
All right, and then markets today, Scott Crothers.
Today, the Dow looks off 30 points. We get a few more earnings today, and we get the ADP employment report ahead of the big employment report on Friday. We also hear from the Fed this afternoon. We expect no rate increase, but we'll be listening for news about a rate hike in June.
All right, there you go. Scott Crothers with Stifel Nicholas. Have yourself a good day. We'll talk to you tomorrow.
Sounds great. Thanks for coming.
642, Big 550.